We are going to be playing Barney Error. Sorry for this, right? Sorry for the age and gender. We were messing around. Okay, we are going to be 3 years old. We are going to be a little toddler, and we are female.
But I'm actually.
I'm gonna blur that out. You don't need to tell him. Okay, start Barney Error. Uh-oh.
We interrupt your computer session for a Barney error. Barney was killed by Milo.
Okay, let's
You
stop.
get 5 chances. Do not turn off your computer, or else you'll get
Let's
punishments.
take turns doing it.
Wait.
I'll go first. Okay.
Hey, I see you turned off
I
your
do
computer.
not care, little
Please
buddy.
don't. Hey,
Little buddy.
I didn't finish my speech. You turned off your computer.
Yes,
Hey,
we don't
I
care.
didn't even start my speech. Stop
I'm
telling-
supposed to
Hey,
do it
I
next.
didn't even start my speech. This
I
is
do
your
not
Hey,
care.
I didn't even
Just
start
use
my
our last
speech.
one. Here, we're gonna pause.
How dare you?
Girl, girl, hang on. Can we here? I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay.
That makes no sense.
What?
What?
Hang on. What?
I saw you turn off your computer. You are now in Windows 8 from 2012.
I do not care.
Wait, what?
I do not care about that.
What? Hang on. No. Hang on. What the?
Okay, now you got downgraded.
Girl.
Okay. Let's go. Barney Error. Boom.
We interrupt your computer session for no Barney error. Barney was killed by Milo. You'll get 5 chances.
Girl, you
Do not
actually
turn off
spit
your
on my
computer,
finger.
or else you'll get punishments.
Okay. Turn off.
Hey, I see you turn off your computer. Please don't do it again. You turn off your computer again. That's it. 3 chances left. Hey, I didn't even finish my speech.
Which one you did?
Stop turning off your computer. I'm now in mode. Hey, I didn't even finish my speech. This is your last chance. If you turn off again, I will give you a punishment. How dare you turn off your computer again? That's it. You are grounded for 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
I didn't even start my speech. So burning off my punishments.
No.
It didn't stop. Mega punishment.
This is going to be punishment.
Mega punishment.
9,99999 years.
Nuh-uh.
I didn't even start my speech.
I
I didn't even start my speech.
That was not your speech. That
You
was.
now have to enter the code. If you enter the correct code, you can go back to your computer session. But if you enter the wrong code, you'll get the final punishment.
We already know the code.
I forgot. How about go jump on a trampoline?
Next.
Go jump on a trampoline and fly to the sky and never come back. Ever. Oh my goodness. Again. Oh yeah. Girl. Ever again. Girl. Ever again. You stupid purple grape.
Oh, you're not scared of
Code is
you.
wrong. The correct code is 4815 16 23 42. So that you will get the final punishment.
Yeah.
This is the final punishment. You are grounded for 9 years.
You're not my dad.
This computer will crash in 10, 9, 8,
You're not
7,
my dad.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, finally you gone.